Yo, what's going on, guys? It's been a while since I made a video. Thanks for watching this one. Pretty much just want to make a video just to document where the car is right now. So unfortunately, I didn't really get a chance to record a lot of the progress of this car. So pretty much I found as many clips as I had of building the car up to this point, and I've used some clips from my friend's channel. Definitely check him out. He's building some sick cars, and you definitely want to see what he's doing with rebuilding and tuning his not salvage, but like it was a vandalized S5 he got from Copart. So check out his channel, CrispyImmy. I'll link it here and pub down in the description. So use some of his clips that he recorded while we're building the car. I've pretty much made a video of from the point the car was stock until where it is right now. So you'll see most, if not all, of the mods I want to document at this point, because I have a big announcement. Pretty much we're changing the whole car, going top to bottom changes, because we're going supercharged. That's right, we're boosting the car. Gonna basically de-stance the car. Unfortunately, it's been a fun ride for about a year, being stanced and being low, and it looks really good. And honestly, it's taken away a lot from the driving, and the supercharger is where I wanted this car to be about at least a year ago when I first started planning it. So in the coming videos, I'm gonna have a multi-part series going over the full build, the build spec, the parts I'm using, the supporting mods, pretty much brand new aero, the supercharger kit itself. I'll wait till it comes in. Pretty much it's ordered, and I think it's being prepared, and it's going to be shipped soon. So when it comes, I'll reveal what that's going to be. I won't do some interior mods, so it's kind of stock inside of. I've tried a different chef knob, didn't really like it, but anyway. So just don't want to get into it too much right now. But pretty much just want to announce we're boosting the car. I'm super excited for it. I haven't been this excited about a car mod for a while, other than maybe the star lights or something. Alright, so as far as plans for the channel go, obviously you're doing the stuff to this car. You might have seen in the background some other clips. I have an Audi A4 Avant. That's the wagon, the B7 generation. I've got that parked in the garage right now, and I have some plans for that car. That car is going to be sick. Pretty much that was meant to be the daily, but because of COVID and the quarantine and working from home, I honestly don't really drive anywhere. So just been focusing on this car. That car needs some love, and it's gonna get some mods. And obviously, you may have seen some other people on the channel. Probably gonna feature my brother's A7. We just stanced that car. You don't really see too many Audi A7s drop as low as he is, or drop period. It's just not a car you really see too often modified. So got my Audi, got his Audi. He's got another Audi A4, so that's a B8 gen. That thing is gonna get some mods, so that thing is pretty cool. So if you're an Audi fan, there's a lot of Audi coming. And then if you're a BRZ 86 FRS fan, there's a lot of that coming. So stay tuned. Hopefully you subscribe, you like the content. I'm getting more used to picking up the camera and just recording and talking to you guys. So I appreciate the love. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time when I have more info on the supercharger build. Peace.
Can't move. I can't even find the damn OBD plug.
I can't see, my eyes are full.
What have we done? What have we done?